How SharePoint helps your organization? Have you ever struggled to find important documents in SharePoint or collaborate efficiently with your team? If so, SharePoint Literacy is here to help. SharePoint is a web-based platform developed by Microsoft that helps organizations store, organize, share, and manage information efficiently. It serves as a central hub for document management, team collaboration, and business process automation, making it an essential tool for boosting productivity and maintaining data security. Some key features of SharePoint is that it lets you store, organize, manage files in a structured way, share files, co-author documents, and work with colleagues in real time, store structured data, track tasks, and manage workflows, create custom pages, dashboards, and workflows to suit your needs. And SharePoint seamlessly connects with Outlook, Teams, OneDrive, PowerAutomate, and PowerApps. Why use SharePoint? Well, centralized storage keeps all documents and data in one secure location. Anywhere, anytime access allows you to work from any device with an internet connection. Improved productivity reduces email overload and streamlines collaboration. Secure and controlled access where granular permission ensure the right people access the right content.